Welcome to Japan Fes NYC, a vibrant festival that brings the enchanting world of Japan to the bustling streets of New York City. From mouth-watering cuisine to captivating performances, Japan Fes has something for everyone, transporting visitors on an unforgettable journey to the land of the rising sun without ever leaving the Big Apple. Japan Fes is a feast for the senses, a captivating blend of sights, sounds, and flavors that will leave you spellbound. Join us as we delve into the heart of this extraordinary festival, exploring its history, its unique offerings, and the insider tips that will help you make the most of your Japan Fes experience. Japan Fes NYC has come a long way since its humble beginnings. What started as a seasonal celebration has blossomed into a year-round extravaganza, captivating the hearts of New Yorkers and visitors alike. The festival's evolution is a testament to its enduring appeal and the growing appreciation for Japanese culture in the city. Initially, Japan Fes graced the city only during the summer months, offering a taste of Japan's vibrant culture amidst the warmth of the season. However, the festival's popularity soared, prompting its organizers to expand its reach and transform it into a year-round celebration. This evolution allowed Japan Fes to weave itself into the fabric of New York City, offering a continuous stream of cultural experiences throughout the year. Today, Japan Fes is a fixture on the city's cultural calendar, with events taking place across various neighborhoods, from the trendy streets of Chelsea to the artistic enclaves of the East Village. Each festival offers a unique flavor, reflecting the distinct character of its host neighborhood, while staying true to the spirit of Japan. What sets Japan Fes apart is its ability to seamlessly blend the traditional with the contemporary, offering a multifaceted perspective on Japanese culture. The festival serves as a bridge between the rich heritage of Japan and its modern-day innovations, showcasing the dynamic nature of this captivating country. Step into the world of traditional Japan through mesmerizing performances of taiko drumming, the thunderous rhythms reverberating through your very core. Witness the elegance of a tea ceremony, where every movement is a work of art, and savor the delicate flavors of matcha, transporting you to a realm of tranquility. At the same time, Japan Fes embraces the cutting edge of Japanese pop culture, featuring live music performances by J-pop artists, anime screenings, and cosplay competitions, where creativity knows no bounds. This fusion of tradition and modernity creates a truly immersive experience, reflecting the multifaceted nature of Japanese culture. Japan Fes NYC is an immersive experience that tantalizes all your senses. It's a celebration of Japanese culture in all its forms, offering a diverse range of activities that will captivate your imagination and leave you with lasting memories. Food enthusiasts can embark on a culinary journey through the diverse flavors of Japan, sampling everything from savory ramen to delicate mochi. Explore the bustling food stalls, each offering a unique taste of Japanese cuisine, and let your taste buds guide you through this gastronomic adventure. Culture vultures can immerse themselves in traditional Japanese arts and crafts, witnessing the skill and artistry of artisans practicing ancient techniques. Participate in workshops, learn the art of origami, or try your hand at calligraphy, bringing home a piece of Japanese culture with you. No trip to Japan Fes is complete without indulging in the festival's culinary delights. From savory street food classics to delicate sweets, Japan Fes offers a tantalizing array of Japanese cuisine that will satisfy every craving. Start your culinary adventure with a steaming bowl of ramen, the ultimate comfort food. Choose from a variety of broths, noodles, and toppings, each bowl a symphony of flavors that will warm your soul. For a quick and tasty bite, try takoyaki, crispy octopus balls drizzled with savory sauces and dancing bonito flakes. Indulge your sweet tooth with fluffy Japanese pancakes, like those from Souffle NYC or Softbite. Their cloud-like texture and delicate sweetness are true delight. And don't miss out on matcha sweets, from rich green tea ice cream to delicate mochi. Each bite a burst of authentic Japanese flavors. With so much to see, do, and taste at Japan Fes, it's helpful to have a few insider tips up your sleeve to navigate the festival like a pro. Here are some handy hints to ensure a smooth and enjoyable experience. Arrive early to beat the crowds, especially if you're planning to sample popular food vendors or attend specific events. Japan FE's draws large crowds, and arriving early allows you to explore at your own pace and secure your spot for performances and workshops. Bring both cash and card, as some vendors may not accept all forms of payment. It's always a good idea to have both options on hand to avoid any inconvenience. Check the festival's website or social media pages for the most up-to-date schedules, locations, and vendor information. This will help you plan your day and ensure you don't miss out on any must-see events or culinary delights. Japan Fes NYC 2025 is set to be another unforgettable celebration of Japanese culture, with a jam-packed schedule of events taking place throughout the year. Mark your calendars for confirmed dates, such as May 4th on the Upper West Side, May 10th at Chelsea, and May 18th on Park Slope, 5th Avenue, to name a few. These are just a glimpse of the exciting events awaiting you at Japan Fes 2025. For the most up-to-date information, including specific locations, vendor announcements, and detailed schedules, be sure to visit the official Japan Fes website and follow them on social media. Don't miss your chance to experience the magic of Japan Fes NYC.